That's pretty good for a Texas team of rush. Really
Grab it. Back. Right, step in. Let's go. straight. Keep it there.
Get tough, get tough.
Right back. Go. Swing, keep moving it. Look.
Stay there.
Let's go. Down, second. Nice.
Watch out.
Hold it, take. Come on. Take her.
Stop the ball.
Let's go, girl. Repeat.
We've been practicing that end of the stuff.
Come on, watch out, shooter. In the corner. Hey, stay aggressive, Black. Watch out.
Hey, let's go, Brian. Come on, backside up. I'll back up, crossover. Get up. Don't reach. Oh, that's double.
Right there.
Good job.
Good hustle, Maya. Right, number 3. Watch the middle.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Come on. Get here. No touchdown, no vice there. No touchdown, no switch. Clear. Help. All right, stay on. All right, let's go. Work, help side. Stay there, make the count. Hold down, get there, go ahead. Okay, nice. Use Please go on the side.
Watch it up, Thomas. Tuck it up, Thomas.
Good ball.
Get there. Close that. Get there.
Clear to the side.
Straight up.
D, girl.
Grab it. Good job, Megan. Good hustle, Megan. Stay tough.
Hey, come on. No sideline. Help side. Close out. Get up. Keep it.
Come on, you can go. Come on. You go right now.
Go down. Numbers.
Stop the ball. Rebound. Hold on to it. Hydrate, Millie, hydrate.
Higher. There we go. All right. Hold down. Get there. Get here.
Hard.
Get up.
Rebound.
Hold. Four eyes. Listen in there. Pull it. Take your side. Right. Move it.
Watch the corner, girls.
Move it. Next side. Thanks, Grace. Good. Go. 2-3.
Corner, corner.
Deal. Let's go, Sissy. Clear control.
Come on, girls.
32, 80. The ball over there, too. You gotta watch the ball goes there. Umpire. Close out the middle, keep the middle. Cutter, stay. Go, umpire, shooter. You gotta help guard. Got it. Hey, bounce the floor. Backside.
Like 45, come on, hit. Like 45, hit. Good job, 45. Hey, coach, you know, during the season, don't do that. Yeah, we pull her out. Pull her out. Pull her out? No, we just I know.
Middle! Hey, all right, all right. Hey, tired. Keep it up. Feel free. Keep it up. Let's go, girls.
Rebound, Black. Come on, Caitlin, Sid, let's rebound.
There you go. Get up! Good job. Stay.
Watch out!
Nobody hurt? Tired? 1 minute. Let's go. You're right.
Oh, box out. Nelly, shooter. Let's go. Box out. Play hard, buddy.
Watch out, hard, Caitlin.
Grab that. Nice.
Hey!
Hold it.
Go, let's go.
Back. Take ball. Break. Outside. Get up one. You're right. Stay. Get her. Oh, you gotta get that. Stay. Don't foul.
Watch the reaching.
Now we go.
Good D, Caitlin. Good D.
What's that? Hey, nobody hurt? Don't worry about it. Hey, relax, guys, relax. Don't say talk to you. That's the guy.
Yeah. Bombers.
No. Just good. It's done.
Hi, Caitlin.
There you go. Two. Got one more.
Watch, Caitlin.
Gotta work right now. First 2 minutes you can have. Go. Work. To your right. Let's go. Work. Watch the middle, Lisa. Middle.
Nice.
And coming. Take baseline.
The short corner.
Get some air under the shirt.
Hey, you're right. Let's ready for the press. Nobody hurt. Let's go. 0-0. Let's go, play. No! Push! You got it. Keep it.
Let's go, girl. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, too late. Swing it. Good shot, man. Good shot. Let's go. Don't tell off. Hey, don't tell off. Swing it. Hey. Oh, get there. Get there. Still 2-3. Still 2-3.
Space.
Little. Oh, you don't want to fall. Get that. Back, brother.
Yes.
Get out.
Watch out!
Go in one. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Stay. Hey, Tyson, there. Go back. Stay there. Hey, still want to get up. 2-3. Tyson, get back. Stay. Middle. Get there.
Short corner.
How many times I tell you to get that middle? Don't watch the ball.
Let's go, girl. Move your feet now. Move your feet.
Take care of the ball, take care of the ball!
Hard.
Dribble.
Let's go, girl. Move your feet.
Come out, White. Come out, blue.
Let's go, girl.
Nice, come up.
Tonight. Let's go.
Get up! Stay! You gotta get in front!
Nice. Yes.
Keep it!
Grab it, grab it!
Yeah.
Keep it!
contact. Ball keep going.
Hang in there, man. Hang in there.
Sub, we got one shot, sub. Nobody can talk to 4 Starbucks, nobody can talk to them. Way to go, man.
Let's go, ladies, run the play. Out of time. Hey, out of time. Great.
Come on, bro.
Bring it up,
Take care of the ball.
Take care. I'm strong.
Watch, hey, Mason, watch touchdown, watch touchdown. Go! Deny! Stay, you don't need to steal. Don't worry about that, steal. Good.
Yes, yes.
Get back. Slow down, secondary break. Somebody Hey, that's up, buddy. That's up. Hey, slow down. He's flat. Slow down. Teach, go point. Get up. Relax. Control.
Go there.
Hey.
Here.
Lay up. Hey, back up. Backside. You're right, relax. Back up, bro. Oh, let's go. I got you. Go, Sam. Get the ball.
Hands up!
No, worse. There you go.
Like 50 body hand. Push. 2 shots.
Hey, fill it.
2 minutes, you know, stop, guys.
Come on, baby. All right. Get up.
Rebound, Black!
Hey. Stay up. Stay home. Have fun. Sex, you gotta play defense. Deny.
Good body.
Stay. Get there. Don't foul. Stay here. Get that. Shooter, get up. Hands up. That's a double.
Hold on, Gypsy.
Pick it up.
No, going this way. to throw.
Two shots, relax. Rebound, watch out.
Short.